Hello and welcome. So today we start history of English literature. Important question: who is known as the father of English literature? Geoffrey Chaucer. What is the type of literature? Prose, poetry, drama, non-fiction, media. Who is a mother of English fiction? Virginia Woolf, female writer. Who is called the father of novel? Henry Field. Told by Sir Walter Scott. Which was the famous work of Old English? Beowulf. Who is the father of English drama? William Shakespeare. Who is a known English modern dramatist? Harry Gibson. Who is the first novelist in the English literature? Daniel Defoe, female writer. नोबेल कौन सा है? रेबिन्सन कर्स्यू. But not was introduced in a true form of Henry Fielding. Chaucer, which is write in which dialect? ईस्ट मिडलैंड. चौसर का जो डायलेक्ट है उसे क्या कहते हैं? ईस्ट मिडलैंड. चौसर वॉज द ग्रेट पोएट ऑफ 13th century. 1400 में डेथ हुई. विच पोएम बुक इन कंसिडर्ड एज ए फर्स्ट नॉवेल ऑफ चौसर? च्यूलस एंड क्रेसिडी. विच पोएम ऑफ चौसर इज अनफिनिश्ड? द लीजेंड ऑफ गुड वुमेन. फॉर द जनरल आइडिया ऑफ कंटेम्परेरी टेल्स चौसर वॉज इंटेंडेड टू बेकासियो. फॉर द जनरल आइडिया ऑफ contemporary tales Chaucer was intended to Boccaccio. Where do the pilgrimage to contemporary tales meet in London? Tabard Inn. How many tales are to be told by each pilgrim? 4 stories. 2 + 2 while arriving plus departure. The pilgrim are going to visit the tomb of Thomas A. Becket. Where is the tomb of the saint situated? Canterbury. Who narrates the first tale of Chaucer contemporary tales? The Knight. Who tells the last tale of Chaucer contemporary tales? The Person. Which tale in his prose? The Porson tales. Who tells the tales is melodies in contemporary tales? Chaucer. Chaucer, च्यूलस and Cressida is written in rhyme royal. The first poem in English to use heroic couplet is The Legend of Good Woman, but unfinished. Who said about Chaucer prelude to the contemporary tales that here intended to God plenty? John Dryden. The author of Praise and Polman is a Langland. Which poem did Chaucer dedicated to Grover? च्यूलस and Cressida. Which poem is Grover in French? Speculum Meditates. Which poem of Gower is in Latin? Vox Clamatis. Who is called the father of English prose? Wycliffe. To whom is generally attributed the first translator of the Bible? Wycliffe. Monte the Author was published in 1485. Monte the Author was published in 1485. Who is the author of Monte the Author? Marlowe. Dream Allegory was popular poetic form during the medieval period. Among the Scottish Chaucerian, the poet king was James I, who wrote a sequel to च्यूलस and Cressida. Henry Sun. The Golden Trank was written by Dunban. Who brought the printing press to England? Caxton. The first printing press in England was produced 1476. सर थॉमस मोरे एटोपिया इन लैटिन. मतलब अगर पूछा जाए थॉमस मोरे एटोपिया किस लैंग्वेज में है? लैटिन में. एटोपिया इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेट कम आउट इन 1551. हु रोट इन प्रोज द हिस्टोरी ऑफ रिचर्ड III? मोरे. एवरी मैन इज वेल नोन medieval drama by unknown author. Gorbedio. The first English treasury is dated 1562. Gosson Schule of A 1579 provoked Sydney apologies for poetry. The Shepherd Calendar was written by Edmund Spenser. Spenser's satirical poem is Mother Shewbur's Tale. Shakespeare celebrating of his own marriage in subject of Epithalamion. The Fairy Queen is a allegorical poem. Who is the overall hero of the Fairy Queen? Prince Arthur. The Spenserian stanza consisting of 9 lines. Jusia is a character in Spenser. Jusa. ट्यूसा is a character in Spenser. The Total Misandry was published in 1557. Byatt introduced in the Pitarchan sonnet couplet ending. The credit for introducing Polter measure in English poetry goes to Surrey, who introduced blank verse in English poetry. Surrey. My Rouse for Magistrate 1563 is a work of Thomas Sackville. The term Poulter's measures was coined by Gasiconi. Sidney Arcadia is similar to Moreatopia. Aristophel and Stella is a sonnet sequence by Sidney. Thomas Champion was a contemporary of Shakespeare. Which work of Daniel is a romantic? The Complaint of Rosamount. Which Elizabethan anthology of poetry contained poems on the death of Sidney? The Phoenix Next, 1593. The first book printed in English was History of Troy. Thomas Kividi, The Spanish Tragedy, come out in 1585. Which play of George Peele is a satire on the popular drama of the day? The Old Wives' Tale. Which play of Robert Greene is a imitative of Marlowe Trampoline? Orpheus, King of Oregon. Shakespeare borrowed the plot Greene Pendosto or the Trump of Time, 1588, for which of the play? The Winter Tale. Shakespeare borrowed the plot of Thomas Lodge's Rosalinde for which of the play? As You Like It. Shakespeare was born in the year 1564. Who else among his contemporaries was born the same year? Marlowe. Which play of Marlowe is based on the Germanic legend Dr. Faustus? Which play of Marlowe is unfinished? The Massacre at Paris. The Massacre at Paris. The Marlovian hero is known for hunger of power. Who wrote What This? The face that launched 8,000 ships and burned the topless town of Iluse. Marlowe. Shakespeare addressed his sonnet to the male named Mr. W.H. Arden. In which tragedy of Shakespeare is a role of ghost? Hamlet. Which play of Shakespeare is not a Roman play? Timon of Athens. Yet Timon of Athens is not a Roman play. Who said that Shakespeare knew little Latin and less Greek? Ben Jonson. Where does the phrase brave new word appear in the Tempest? Brave new word appear in Tempest. To be or not to be is a Hamlet refers to live or not to live. Rapiness is all is uttered in King Lear by Edgar. Rapiness is all the uttered in King Lear by Edgar. Readiness is all occurred by Hamlet. देखो rapiness एडगर ने किया है, uttered in King Lear by Edgar, और readiness is all is occurred by Hamlet. Life is tale told by the idiot. He is uttered in Macbeth. Life is a tale told by an idiot is uttered by Macbeth. Cowards die many times before their death appear in which play of Shakespeare? Julius Caesar. There is a providence in Fall of Sparrow occurred in Hamlet. Uneasy lines that had that wear the crown. Henry IV. Shakespeare Roman play are based on which source? North Plutarch. Shakespeare English play are based on which source? Hellenized Chronicles. Which is not the nature comedy of Shakespeare? The comedy of error. Which is not the nature of comedy of Shakespeare? The comedy of error. Which is not the early comedy of Shakespeare? Much Ado About Nothing. In which play Shakespeare appear an Indian boy? Midsummer Night Dream. Who said that the Shakespeare great tragedy character is destiny? A.C. Bartley. Who called Hamlet is an artistic failure? T.S. Eliot. Who called Hamlet the Mona Lisa of literature? T.S. Eliot. Who called Hamlet the Mona Lisa of literature? T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot. Edward Spencer is known as the poet's poet by Charles Lamb. Edward Spencer is known as a child of Renaissance. Edward Spencer is also known the bridge between Renaissance and Reformation. Gutenberg, the father of printing. William Caxton, father of English press. Francis Bacon, the father of English essay. So we have to complete it. I have to complete 100 question in very fast speed, and I just want you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for updates.